that's my name. I graduated from college during the pandemic, and around the beginning of August last year, I moved to New York City area, and I wanted to share my dance with people, like rather than practicing dance in an empty space. So I came to Washington Square Park around the end of September, and I met another street performer. He was doing live painting, like it's different style from my painting, but he's also Japanese, and we were performing together for a while, about a month and a half. But he had to go back to Japan around the mid-November last year, and I wasn't planning to continue this by myself, but he told me that, Kanami, I think you should continue it because New York people need art, like art is very important. I'm here every day, pretty much 6 days a week. I was dancing in the snow, I was dancing in the rain, whatever the weather it is. I enjoy any kind of weather here. And the community here, the people in this community is very supportive about artists and street performers. My dance is like entirely improvisation. I take all the information from the environment, like I feel the music, of course, but at the same time I feel the crowdiness of the park, temperature, what kind of air today, and humidity, weather, like sound, noise, smell, everything. Like all those things affect my dance. So that's why each time it's very different. People watching my dance is very, like, it really means a lot to me. Like, because that's my dance is about, like this like in-person communication, like not like through the display or not online. It's just a real human and real human in the same space, sharing the time. And when people are watching my dance, that kind of communication is happening, I think. So I really appreciate those people. Like sometimes I'm dancing in the rain, and even though it's raining, people are stopping and watching, and like I think it's a very amazing thing, like I mean, I don't mind getting wet, but for the most of the people, probably they don't want to wet, or like don't want to standing in the rain. But some people actually watch my dance in the rain or thunderstorm and sharing this beautiful time together. I had a time when I was doubting about myself, like should I really be a dancer, or like all those other talented people like surrounding me. And like sometimes I feel like I'm not as better as others, or like I'm not enough to be a dancer, or whatever those kind of negative thoughts. But end up like I had to believe in myself because I need dance to just be alive. So follow your instinct and believe yourself. That's hard, I know, but trying to hold on to it.